Transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with the planning, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of transportation systems and infrastructure. The purpose of transportation engineering is to safely and efficiently move people and goods from one place to another, while also addressing issues such as traffic congestion, air pollution, and accessibility for all users. After reading the Introduction to Transportation Engineering by Tom V. Matthew and K. V. Krishna Rao, here are some important concepts related to it that I completely identify. 1. Transportation planning. This one is a complex process that involves the use of various tools and techniques to determine the most appropriate transportation system for a given area. Number 2 is transportation modeling, a method used to simulate and analyze the behavior of transportation systems, such as road, highways, public transit, and airports. This also involves the use of mathematical and computer-based tools to model the interactions between different components of transportation systems. There are several types of transportation models that can be used. We have network models, which simulates the flow of traffic on a transportation system. Activity-based models that simulates the travel patterns and behavior of individuals or households. Emission models that stimulates the emissions from vehicles and predict their impact on air quality. Number 3 is traffic flow. This refers to the movement of vehicles on a roadway and encompasses a wide range of factors that impact the smoothness and efficiency of this movement. Some of the key factors that are considered when analyzing traffic flow includes speed, volume, congestion, capacity, density, occupancy. All of these factors interact with each other to determine the overall flow of traffic on a roadway, and understanding how they interact can be crucial for improving the efficiency and safety of our transportation systems. Number 4 is transportation demand management. This is such a broad term that refers to a range of strategies and programs aimed to reduce the need for travel, particularly by single occupancy vehicles. Some common transportation demand management strategies include carpooling, telecommuting, transit-oriented development, walking and cycling, pricing, education and outreach. Strategies can be implemented by government agencies, businesses, and community organizations working together to create a more sustainable and efficient transportation system. Number 5 is intelligent transportation systems. This is the use of advanced technology to improve the efficiency, safety, and accessibility of transportation systems. Here are some examples of intelligent transportation systems and applications. We have traffic management, incident management, traveler information systems, advanced public transportation systems, advanced traveler information systems, advanced vehicle safety systems, advanced traffic management systems. Overall, these technologies can help to reduce congestion, improve safety, and provide travelers with more accurate, timely, and useful information, which ultimately can improve the overall performance of transportation systems. And lastly, we have sustainable transportation. This is a type of transportation system that minimizes negative impacts on the environment and also promotes social and economic well-being. Sustainable transportation is a holistic approach that considers various factors such as economic, environmental, and social impacts. Some of the key elements of sustainable transportation includes environmental sustainability, economic sustainability, social sustainability, health and quality of life, energy efficiency. A basic course in urban and regional planning by Institute of Transportation Engineers includes a lot of significant ideas related to transportation planning. Upon reading the statements of the writings, here are some of the ideas that I found significant. Number one, the importance of integrating transportation planning with land use planning to create more livable and sustainable communities. Number two, the role of transportation demand management, strategies in reducing vehicles' miles traveled, and promoting alternative modes of transportation such as walking, biking, and public transit. Number three, the need for transportation planners to consider the impacts of transportation projects on different population groups, including low income households and communities of color. Number four, the importance of using data and technology in transportation planning to make informed decisions, such as using travel demand models and geographic information levels. Number five, the need for transportation planners to consider the impacts of climate change and work towards creating more resilient transportation systems. Number six, the role of transportation planning in promoting economic development, including improving access to job opportunities and supporting local businesses. Number 7. The importance of involving the public in the transportation planning process, techniques like community engagement and public participation. Number 8. The importance of environmental sustainability in transportation planning, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserving natural resources. Still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ. Still screaming out that chain gang. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ. Still screaming out that chain gang.